Join us now and explore the world-famous Intel Museum in Silicon Valley. Go behind the scenes in the high-tech world of California's famed Silicon Valley. See what it's like inside an ultra-clean, highly automated silicon chip factory, and connect with technologies that give us new ways to work, learn, play, and communicate. The Intel Museum is 10,000 square feet of fun, interactive learning for children and adults. At the famous Intel Museum, staff engage visitors as they explore the complex world of silicon technology to help them understand how Intel is changing the way we live, work, and play. Join us now and learn about Intel microprocessor history, silicon chip design, and chip fabrication. Enjoy amazing interactive. The Intel Museum is located at Intel's headquarters in Santa Clara, in California. It offers exhibits of Intel's products and history, as well as semiconductor technology in general. This museum is open weekdays and Saturdays except holidays. The Intel Museum was started in the early 1980s as an internal project at Intel to record its history. It opened to the public in 1992, later being expanded in 1999 to triple its size and add a store. It has exhibits about how semiconductor chip technology works, both as self-paced exhibits and available by advanced reservation.
In 2002, the Computer History Museum opened its new building in Mountain View, California, to the public and home to the largest and most significant collection of computing artifacts in the world. The Computer History Museum comprises nearly 90,000 objects, photographs and films, as well as 4,000 feet of catalog documentation and several hundred gigabytes of software. The Computer History Museum Oral History Program conducts video interviews around the history of computing. Computer History Museum is a remarkable hub that showcases the history of computers and continues to chronicle new advances in technology. If you are interested in technology, you will love the exhibits that await you. Spend a day at the Computer History Museum. Find out why the computer history is 2,000 years old. Learn about the computer history's game changers through multimedia exhibitions. Play a game of Pong or Space War. Listen to computer pioneers tell their story from their own perspective. Discover the roots of today's internet and mobile devices. See over 1,000 of historic artifacts.
Welcome to Apple Park and Visitor Center in Cupertino, California. Apple Park New Visitor Center offers a place to explore, learn, shop, and attend Apple sessions and special programs. Check out Apple exhibition that illustrate new architectural masterpiece in natural landscape, where you can discover inspiring programs happening every day at Apple Park Visitor Center. The exhibition showcases the innovative design principles of Apple Park and its unique environment. Check out Apple new headquarters stores, well designed to offer a highly curated selection of Apple products, accessories, and experiences, and offering exclusive Apple and Apple Park branded merchandise, as well as learning programs and tips on how to use and master Apple devices. Look inside Apple's stunningly modern cafe. A sharp cornered roof which makes it look a lot like an Apple Store design. Check out the roof terrace offering unique views of Apple Park campus.
This is a brief overview of Googleplex campus and headquarters in Mountain View. In California, Google is constantly being named as one of the best companies to work for. It feeds its employees 3 gourmet meals a day for free. It offers them an array of perks from yoga classes, in- and outdoor activities, to massages. The Googleplex, meaning a complex of buildings, is the corporate headquarters complex of Google and its parent company Alphabet Incorporated. But Google's campus expands far beyond its headquarters in Mountain View, but you will need to get familiar with Google headquarters and hidden gems before checking out Google's new buildings which spread out throughout Silicon Valley. At the Google campus, guests can also visit Google Android lawn statues and Sculpture Garden, which features a new colorful candy Android sculpture each time Android operating system is released. Next to the garden is Google Company Store, where visitors can shop for gifts, wearables, merchandise, and accessories. The Ames Research Center is located in the heart of Silicon Valley and cordially invites you to tour its intriguing visitor center and learn about the NASA while exploring exciting NASA missions. During your visit, you can see a real moon rock, a Martian asteroid, learn how astronauts live and work in space and much more. Open 6 days a week, the Visitor Center features a large screen theater showing a variety of informative presentations and films to whet your appetite for NASA. The Ames Research Center is a major NASA research center at Moffett Federal Airfield in Silicon Valley. It was first founded in 1939 and became the NASA Ames in 1958. Ames was founded to conduct wind tunnel research on the aerodynamics of propeller-driven aircraft. However, its role has expanded to encompass spaceflight and information technology. Ames plays a role in many NASA missions. It provides leadership in astrobiology, small satellites, robotic lunar exploration, the search for habitable planets, supercomputing, intelligent and adaptive systems, advanced thermal protection, and airborne astronomy. Ames also develops tools for a safer, more efficient national airspace. The Tech Museum is a family-friendly hands-on science and technology center located in San Jose, in Silicon Valley. The Tech Museum is focused on inspiring future generations with science and offers hands-on science workshops. The TechS strives to engage people in exploring and experiencing applied technology. Located between San Francisco and San Jose, in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford University is recognized as one of the world's teaching and leading research institutions. It is known for its entrepreneurial character, drawn from the legacy of its founders, Jane and Leland Stanford. Stanford is dedicated to finding solutions to big challenges and to preparing students to make meaningful contributions to society as engaged citizens and leaders in a complex world. Come visit beautiful Stanford campus, take a student-led guided tour, and get a feel for academic and student life. Explore this beautiful and huge campus and discover Stanford University top places including the main quad, the Oval Place, the Memorial Court, Stanford Memorial Church, Hoover Tower, Stanford Main Bookstore and Gift Shop, the Visitor Center, or even walk to the Cantor Arts Center and Stanford Live. Let your private tour guide walk with you throughout the campus and learn more about Stanford. Did you know that there are 7,083 undergraduates and 9,437 graduates enrolled in 7 Stanford schools, including the School of Business, Economics, Engineering, Energy and Environmental Sciences, Education, Law, Medicine, Humanities and Sciences? Stanford campus is about 8,180 contiguous acres. Welcome to the Hiller Aviation Museum, an aircraft history museum located in San Carlos, in Silicon Valley. The museum was founded by Stanley Hiller in 1998 and is endowed by members of the Hiller family. It specializes in Northern California aircraft history and helicopter history. The museum is also an affiliate within the Smithsonian Affiliations Program. The Hiller Aviation Museum preserves the legacy of flight and provides inspiration for future generations. Over 40 unique and innovative aircraft are on display. The trip to Silicon Valley goes through this Hiller Aviation Museum. Book our private Silicon Valley tour and discover the history of aviation. Explore the adventure and magic of flying and aviation. There are more than 50 airplanes, flight sims, drones and activities for the whole family. From piloting a realistic flight simulator to building robotic drones, there are many opportunities at the museum to immerse yourself in the world of aviation. Special ongoing activities and exhibits are dedicated to the dreams of flight and exhibits which increase public understanding of science and aviation by using the aviation as a gateway and motivation for visitors to embrace adventures and innovation while using fun tools of science to explore the history of aviation. Let your private tour guide take you inside and outside the jumbo jet cockpit at the Hiller Aviation Corporation is a world-renowned international computer technology corporation. They are based in Redwood Shores, in Silicon Valley, in California. They specialize primarily in developing and marketing database software and technology, best cloud-engineered systems, and enterprise software products in its own several brands of database management systems. The company also develops and builds tools for database development and systems of middle-tier software, enterprise resource planning software, customer relationship management software, San Jose is a large city located in Silicon Valley, surrounded by rolling hills, beautiful mountains where you can visit ancient forests of giant redwoods. San Jose is a major technology hub in the Bay Area, and it is locally considered as the capital of Silicon Valley. San Jose architectural landmarks, from the 1883 Italian-style buildings to the Spanish colonial revival structures, make up the downtown historic district of San Jose. Vibrant, diverse and accessible, the city of San Jose shines with over 300 days of sunshine. The downtown area is also home to the Tech Museum of Innovation, devoted to the exploration of science and technology, the Children's Discovery Museum, the world-famous Winchester Mystery House, located nearby the elegant and upscale shopping district of Santana Row. Elegance and style shine at Santana Row. Come visit the new Rodeo Drive of Silicon Valley. Santana Row offers visitors and shoppers the most luxurious shopping experience in this modern and European village style, filled cutting-edge boutiques and culinary delights.